Yeah, what's good traders? This is boy Examining. Right, so this is my first video on this page, my first official video on Forex trading on this page. So I want you guys to know, take up a pen, take up a book. You're gonna need a book, you're gonna need a pen, and you're gonna need attention. Right? So you need to get a book, get a pen, and you guys need to focus, right? So for you to quickly understand forex trading, right? You don't need to jump from one video to another. You're going to get money that way. All you need is one channel, and that's it. All you just need is one channel. All you need is just one channel that's talking about forex and and that channel is this channel in the technology community, right? So what you need right now is to get yourself a book, right? To just something I'm talking about and okay. Right? Then you all need to focus on it. Right? So before we talk about anything else, we just want to know what is forex trading. Right? A lot of people have this misunderstanding. Forex trading is not what do you call it? They call it forex trading is a sporty bet, like a betting company. Technically, it's related to that, but it is not. It is far beyond that. Right, so for you guys to know the basics about forex trading, you guys need to go to a website called babypips.com, right? Go to babypips.com. This page you can get the knowledge of trading, like get the foundation how it goes. I will say what I can say, and I let you guys on what I can, and let you guys on. But for you to have a solid base foundation, you have to go to babypips.com. Right, the site is a very, very, very good site. It's where I also learned a little bit about trading, the basics about trading, how pips work and stuff like that. Though I will talk about those in this channel, but you guys need to read on your own, and that's why you guys need a book, right? So all right. Now, the first thing you guys need to do right now is to go to a site called babypips.com. I think babypips.com, right? That site is just like a primary school for forex trading. Yeah, it's just like a primary school for forex trading. That's where you guys are gonna get a lot of knowledge about forex trading. Yes, a lot of knowledge, a lot of written knowledge. A lot of written knowledge about forex trading. Right. So now, first thing is to go to babypips.com. So let's look at my monitor right now. So now we are on babypips.com. What you guys need to do right now is, new to crypto, new to forex, stuff like that. You go to the top right here, click on learn forex, right? So once you click on that, the site is gonna load up. So we are said learn how to trade forex, dig into our free educational content. So it's basically free, you don't need to pay. Right, so this is where you're gonna start from, how to trade forex and trading, you can start like that. You click on start course, how to trade forex, click on start course right there. So school of biology and stuff like that, you go on okay, preschool, and you click on start course, and there's it. What is forex, right? So it says think the stock market is huge. Think again, let's about the largest financial market in the world and how to trade the world, blah 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 blah. Click on what is forex. Then this is where you guys journey begins. This is basically where you guys come into the industry of forex trading, right? Right now I said what is forex, right? Now forex is quite simple, right? Quite simple. It's the global financial market that allows one to trade currencies, right? It's the global financial market that allows one to trade currencies. So as a forex trader, you are trading currencies. You are trading pounds against dollar or stuff like that. So if you think one currency will be stronger versus the other and you end up correct, then you can make profits. So it's technically just like betting, right? just like betting. But this is way more better than betting, and it's way more knowledgeable than betting, and it's way more, you know, it's all better than betting or gambling stuff like that. So now, it's once upon a time, before a global pandemic happened, people could actually get on a plane and travel internationally. If you have ever traveled to another country, you usually had to find a currency exchange both on the airport and then exchange the money you have in your wallet into the currency of the. So basically, what this is trying to say is now, for say, for example, you're a Nigerian citizen, you are traveling to the US. I think currently, let's say when you were in Nigeria, it was 1,000 naira for $1, right? That means dollar and naira, they have equal weight, right? So you going to the United States, I think you cooked a little bit of like $100. That is like 100,000 naira. Yes. Then you were in the United States for some days, but you try to come back to your country, you have to change your money at the airport. Then you found out that dollar is now what? Is now higher than naira. That means probably when you bought it was 1,000 naira, but when you were going back, it was now 1,500 naira. So now you have 500 naira interest on each dollar you convert to naira. It will now be 500 times 100. So that is your gain. I hope you guys get it now. So that is your gain. That is how you make money in Forex. You make money off of Forex through interest, just like you making interest. Right. So instead of you going to the airport and traveling to and fro because of you want to make a little bit of profit, they bring you to the digitalized world, which is now the Forex market. Right, which is not the Forex or the Forex market. So once you've done your analysis and you see that okay, this currency want to do better than the other one, I want to do bad, just click on the buy or sell. You buy the currency, you hold it for some certain period of time. It can be 2 days, it can be for some minutes, it can be for some hours, it can also be for some weeks and months. Right, you hold it in as much it's going to your prediction. Let's say you predict dollar to be stronger than naira, though no naira. Let's say you predicted dollar to be stronger than Canadian dollar, and your analysis was correct. Dollar was doing very, very, very fine with Canadian dollar for some certain period of time. I say for like 2 months, you held it, and dollar was doing very, very well than Canadian dollar. So the amount you bought dollar, let's say you bought dollar at 160, won't be the same amount you are going to sell it for. Let's say you bought dollar at 1600, and by the time you held the particular currency for at least or for some certain period of time, let's say for 2 weeks, it can increase from around 1600 to 1800. So you now do it like this: 1800 minus 1600. So the profit in it, that is going to be your profit. So that's how Forex works. It's not something like gambling. It's just you analyzing the global market and trying to make profit off of it. I hope you guys understand that. So let's get into the screen now. So an exchange rate is the relative price of two currencies from two different countries. You find Japanese yen and you think to yourself, wow, my dollar is worth 100 yen and I have $10, I'm going to be rich. When you do this, you have essentially participated in Forex market, you've exchanged. So to cut the story long short, you guys really need to go to babypigs.com and read it very, 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 very well. So what is Forex? The Forex exchange market, which is usually known as Forex or FX, right? Like my name said, FX Damijin. That means Forex Damijin. Gets just like a nickname, right? So Forex is usually known as Forex exchange market. That's the full meaning of Forex, Forex. The full meaning of Forex is what? Foreign exchange market. It's the largest financial market in the world. Right, and that's correct. The FX is a global decentralized market where the world currency change hands due to the wide range of market participants, including central banks, financial institutions, corporations, hedge funds, and individual traders. Exchange rates change by the second, so the market is constantly in flux. That means the market is not constant, right? The market isn't constant. The market goes up, it goes down. It's not constant. That is what now makes it risky. But you can predict the market will go down and market goes up, stuff like that. So now, this is where I want you guys to pay attention to. Currency traders, also known as currency speculators, buy currency hoping that they will be able to sell them at higher price in the future. These are we the traders, right? We are currency traders. We buy and we hope the currency we hold. We buy, performs well. If the currency we buy and it perform well, you're going to make money over time, right? So compared to the all right, so compared to the measly $20 billion per day volume of the New York Stock Exchange, the foreign exchange market looks absolutely ginormous with its $7.5 trillion a day trade volume. Sorry, the foreign exchange market, I think you guys didn't say that well. The foreign exchange market looks absolutely ginormous, not ginormous, my bad, ginormous with its $7.5 trillion a day trade volume. That means every blessed day we are waking up, the forex market has $7.5 trillion waiting for us. I don't know what I can say. I don't know. I don't know what other job can give you that. I don't know. I don't know, but this is it. This is it. $7.5 trillion every fucking day in the forex market. I don't know what else you guys want, but this is it. $7.5 trillion every day. So don't think your $20, $50 you are saying the market is going to get. So there's a lot of money in the forex market. All you just have to do is, get your analysis right, and money is unlimited, right? Forex trading, forex market has unlimited opportunities and unlimited money. Let's say, for example, you do the analysis and you made $3 million. First market is going to give you that, because 3 million minus 7.5 trillion, they say lots of money. You get, so first market has a lot of money, so money isn't one of the problems in first market. But as you guys know, Sportybet or whatever you guys play, where do you want to see this type of money? So that is the difference between it. Like the safe forex trading, just like Sportybet, that web tie, yeah, it's what is an educated Sportybet. Like it isn't just anyhow. You guys really need to watch Wolf of Wall Street. I think you guys are going to understand what trading exactly is. A lot of people trade first market. A lot of people make thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, billions of dollars in the first market, and a lot of people lose billions of dollars. So it is vice versa. It is a double-edged sword, right? So with what I'm going to teach you guys in this channel, I can guarantee you that you are going to be successful if you are ready to be successful, because I can't teach you to be successful if you yourself aren't ready to be successful. So if you're ready to be successful, click on the subscribe button, click on the like button right there. So, and also click on the notification bell so you can be the first to get notified if I drop any video on this channel, right? So let's move on. Now, but okay, that's with $7.5 trillion number covers the entire global foreign exchange. But the spot market, which is part of the currency market that is relevant to most forex traders, is smaller at $2 trillion per day. Right, so probably $2 trillion per day. It fluctuates between $2 trillion to $7.5 trillion. So all we know is we are dealing with $1 trillion. And then if you just want to count the daily trading volume from retail traders, blah, 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 blah. I think that is only what I want to get out of it. Now the first market has $7.5 trillion sitting down in the forex market. Like it's literally sitting down, waiting to be taken. So the first market is way, 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 way beyond what you guys think it is, right? So, and this channel, I'm going to shed light in where there's darkness in the forex industry. Like a lot of people want to get into this, but their parents, this, that things. I'm going to shed light in it. This is a life-changing skill. This is a skill that can give you generational wealth. This is a skill that can take you out of poverty. This is a skill, and this doesn't have age. It doesn't have it doesn't care if you have a degree or not. It doesn't care if you are 3 years old. It doesn't care if you are 100 years old. It doesn't care of your age. It doesn't care. All what it cares of is the knowledge and how good you can analyze. All right. So if you are a good trader, if you are a disciplined trader, just go into market, take your money, and go out and live your best life. Right. So this life is not meant to be tough. So with that being said, I want you guys to let's jump into the chat and let's talk about the next topic, which is going to be trends. Yeah, it's going to be trends. Yeah, if I dive into currency pair, let's first talk about trend. Right, it's going to be trend. Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to be doing most of my explanation on the chart right here on the chart. Now, as you all can see, we have a lot, for the first time I get it. If you're overwhelmed, I get it. I also got overwhelmed when I saw these jargons, and I don't understand how these things work. But I promise you, by the time you watch 3 to 4 videos of FX damage, I promise you, you're going to be not the best, but you're going to be an improved trader. Yes, you're going to be an improved trader, a significant improved trader. Like, you're going to be, your knowledge is going to be like, it's going to skyrocket way more faster than the rest, right? When I was learning fair trading, I have to learn the hard way, no mentor, nothing, if you're a YouTube video and stuff like that. But with someone, willing to hold you guys hand and take you guys down the path, you guys are going to catch up very, very fast, right? You're going to catch up very, very fast. So what you guys need to jot now, right? So bring out your book now. Yes, your book. Bring it out. Yeah. So are you with the book, right? And I need you guys to bring out the pen also. Now, chapter 1 is trends. Right, in chapter 1 we're going to talk about today is trends. So what are trends? Trends. Right, trends. Now, we have 3 types of trends. But what comes to your mind when there's something called trend? What comes to your mind? What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word trend? Trend. This song is trending. Trending. You got right. So trending basically means movement or improvement of something. Yeah. So if a song is trending, that means the song is improving. It's having a lot of streams. It's having a lot of participants open on a challenge and stuff like that. And it's trending. It's getting famous. But that doesn't apply to Forex trading. Trend means movement of the market, either to the upside or to the downside, or ranging. Right, so we have 3 types of trend right now. The first one is what we call the what? The uptrend. Uptrend. Second one is what we call the what? The downtrend. And the third one is what we call the what? Ranging trend. Now, these are the 3 types of trend we have. We have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the ranging trend. Just like the sound, uptrend basically means market moving up, downtrend basically means treadmill moving down. Ranging trend basically means the market isn't going up, neither is it going down, just on the baseline. So this is the way market is going to move. Market can't move any other than this. It's either market is going up or is what's coming down. And if market isn't doing any of both, it's going to be doing the last, which is what's going down. The market is just going to be consolidating in one specific place. Just type sheets. Right? So now on the charts, let me give you a scenario of uptrend. On the uptrend, you see something like this, up, down. Sorry, I'm not a good artist though. I'm a graphic designer, but not so good. Yeah, this is what we call an uptrend. Wow, it's beautiful. Wow. Right, this is what we call an uptrend. Yes, uptrend. So it is an uptrend. Yeah, it is an uptrend. So what do you think downtrend will be? I want you guys to take a guess. What would downtrend look like? right? It's going to be the opposite of uptrend. That means market isn't going to be going up, it's going to be going down. I'm not a fan of down. I'm always a fan of upside. So I think it's manageable. Alright, so this is an uptrend. The order is going to be a what? This is going to be a what? Yeah, you got that. That is going to be a downtrend. Absolutely. That's going to be a downtrend. Now you're getting it. Now you're becoming a trader. This is going to be what? Downtrend. What is wrong? Okay, this is going to be what? A downtrend. Now if this is an uptrend, this is a downtrend. This uptrend correct. Why are you looking awkward? Right, if this is an uptrend, this is a downtrend. Let's talk about the ranging trend. And what did I say about ranging trend? Ranging trend basically means what? Something that isn't going up and isn't going down, just consolidating like that. Is something doing something like this? Yeah, just bouncing off a specific zone. Not going anywhere, basically. So this is all called what? A ranging trend. I hope you guys understand. This is all called what? Right. So this is all called what? A ranging trend. Market isn't going up and market isn't what's coming down. Just plain. All right. So let's talk about this ranging. Yeah, ranging. All right. So right, this is three type of trend. We have the uptrend, the downtrend, and the ranging trend. Right, basically. So here's all what you guys need to know for now. So I'm going to take this lesson bit by bit. We're not going to be in a rush here, so you guys can grab something, understand how these things work. So, what are the three type of trend we have? Alright, we have the what? The uptrend, we have the what? The downtrend, we have the what? Ranging trend. And the uptrend basically means market moving what? Upward, and downtrend basically means market moving what? Downward, and ranging trend is what? Sideways. Easy as that. So, like we do say, the trend is your friend. If the market is going up, we want to be placing trade that is going up. If the market is going down, we want to be placing trade that is literally going what? Down. You don't want to be against the trend. The trend is your friend, right? So if the trend is saying up, you don't want to be betting against the market that is going down because you're going to consume your money. And that's not where we are meant to be. That's not the situation we want to be, right? We don't want to be depressed because we lost a lot of money in the first market, right? So move with the trend. The market is going up, you go up. The market is going down, you go down. If the market is ranging, we stay the fuck out of the market. We don't participate in that, yeah, because it's either going up or going down. Yes, it's either you go. Let's say, for example, you are on the roof right now. If you jump up? It's 100% chance that you're going to get your ass kicked. You're going to get down to the ground, right? So gravity is going to pull you downward. Same thing goes to the market. Either you go up or it goes down. Once it's ranging, that means it is not sure where it's going to go. We want to stay out of the market. We don't want to be involved in that type of shit, right? So those are the three type of trend. And before we go, let me show you on the chart how it looks like. Now, for example. Let me go to my favorite GBP. Now, for example, let's see what market does. You see, this market is going what? Up, 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 up. Right, so on our next class, I'm going to teach you guys what this is about. Yes, and we have the second one, which is what? Downtrend. So okay, before we go to the downtrend, let's move this out. Now, as you can see, when we move this out of there, what did we see? We see a beautiful what? Beautiful uptrend. Okay, you see how the market is going. Sorry, the market is going what? Up. It's going upward. That is, we want to be placing a buy. Right now, so let's go to the second one, which is the what? The downtrend. And this is a sweet scenario, right? This situation right here is a sweet scenario with downtrend. What do you want to do? You want to see market doing like this, creating stuff like this, stuff like this, okay, stuff like this, stuff like this, stuff like this. I think that's incorrect. It's correct though, but not that correct. Wait, is that correct? Yeah. Stuff like this, stuff like this. Yeah. Let me draw that again. Dun, dun, dun. Not that sexy enough. It's still kind of, it's kind of pretty. It does the work. Let's see if we can find another one. Oh, yeah, we got this. Let's see what this offers. Yep. Let's try it out. So as you can see, this market is literally moving what? It's moving downwards, right? It's not moving upwards, moving downwards. Right, so now I think that should be it for this video. Don't let me complicate things for you. That should be it for our first lesson is what trend. We understand what Forex is, exchange of pairs. So we'll talk about trend. And don't forget to go to babypips.com, babypips.com. Yeah, I think I can drop the link in the description below if I've gotten to the stage of dropping the link. Or if not, you guys will going to see it on the screen right there, babypips.com. Just click on babypips.com. And you click on start course of Forex, and you're going to read through how Forex was invented, how it's going to. First, it's very, very broad, right? Forex is very, very broad. I think you should be listed in university as a course, but that is against the matrix. Let's see how it goes. So this is you guys need university, FX Damage University. So this is a new school, the FX Damage community, right? So you guys, before I forgot, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on the like button, and follow me on all my social media pages, right? Follow me on Instagram. I drop a little bit of trade overview and trade recaps and my trades. Literally, I drop that on my Instagram page, FX Damage. I'm going to drop it on the screen right now. Follow me on Telegram also, subscribe to my Telegram channel, NFX Trading Academy. I drop signal there for free, absolutely free. And my analysis and the trades I'll be taking. So if I'm making money, you guys are making money. If I'm losing money, you guys are literally losing money. So no need of you guys paying some Forex influencers a huge amount of money. You can just tap into my trading community, NFX Trading Academy, and receive signal for free, absolutely free, nothing attached, absolutely free, right? So that is it.